Good morning everyone. Today we will continue chapter number 8, quadrilateral theorem. In third theorem we will add one more step. This angle is equals to this and this angle equals to this by CPCT. If these angles are equal, these are alternate interior angles. Then lines are also parallel. So AB is parallel to CD and this BC is parallel to AD. Equal is already given. Now we have proof it. These are parallel to also. So hence its proof. ABCD is parallelogram. पैरेलल साइड इक्वल साइड ऑलरेडी गिवन है, हमने उनको पैरेलल भी प्रूफ कर दिया और अपोजिट एंगल्स को भी हमने इक्वल प्रूफ कर दिया है. तो ये अब हमारा कंप्लीट पैरेललोग्राम की सारी प्रॉपर्टीज को सेटिस्फाई करता है. तो इस प्रॉपर्टी को, इस लाइंस को, इस स्टेप को आपको और ऐड करना है इसमें. नाउ थ्योरम 4. इन अ पैरेललोग्राम अपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल. So in parallelogram, make a parallelogram. So given ABCD is a parallelogram. If ABCD is parallelogram, their opposite angles are equal. And we have proof that their opposite angles are equal. This angle A is equals to angle C and angle B is equals to angle D. Now proof by congruence criteria. So draw a diagonal AC. So apply congruency in triangle ABC and triangle ADC. It's same as question number 3rd. So here AB is equals to DC because this is the side of parallelogram that was equal, and BC is equals to AD also, sides of parallelogram. And the third one is AC is equals to AC. AC equals to AC common. So by SSS congruence criteria, so triangle ABC congruent to triangle ADC. If triangles are congruent to each other, then angle B equals to angle D by CPCT. Similarly, angle A equals to angle C. Now theorem 5th. If a quadrilateral, each pair of opposite angles is equal, then it is a parallelogram. अब आपको opposite angles equal given है और हमें प्रूफ करना है कि वो एक पैरेललोग्राम है. So make a quadrilateral. Suppose that was P, Q, R and S. PQRS is a quadrilateral. Opposite angles are equal. Angle P equals to angle R and angle Q equals to angle S is already given. Now prove that PQRS is a parallelogram. Now think about it, how to prove it. PQRS is a parallelogram. Opposite angles is given, they are equal to each other, and we have to prove their opposite sides are also equal. So we know all angles of a the sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So angle P plus angle Q plus angle R plus angle S equals to 360 degree. Now we know angle P plus angle Q plus angle R. Angle R is equals to angle P and angle S equals to angle Q, equals to 360 degree. So 2 angle P plus 2 angle Q, P plus P 2P and Q plus Q 2Q equals to 360 degree. Now take 2 as a common, so angle P plus angle Q equals to 360 degree. So angle P plus angle Q divide 180 degree. तो यहाँ से प्रूफ हुआ एंगल P और Q का जो सम है वो 180 डिग्री है, और ऐसा सिर्फ पैरेललोग्राम में होता है. इफ दीज टू साइड्स आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर, दिस PS एंड QR is parallel to each other and this one a transversal PQ, bisect it. So को इंटीरियर एंगल्स बन रहे हैं और जिनका सम 180 डिग्री होता है. अगर इसका मतलब ये है कि PS और QR जो है वो पैरेलल हैं एक दूसरे के, क्योंकि इनका सम जो को इंटीरियर एंगल है उनका सम 180 डिग्री है. अगर इनका सम 180 डिग्री है दैट मीन्स PS एंड QR इज पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. अगर ये पैरेलल है दैट मीन्स दिस इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. सो हेंस we can similarly prove that angle S plus angle R equals to 180 degree also. So hence PQRS is a parallelogram. That's it for today. Thank you.